Hello children, today we are going to learn new chapter in GK World Food Tour. In this chapter we are going to learn about famous food of the different countries. When we talk about our India, we talk about our traditional food, our food and dishes that are passed on through generations or which have been consumed for many generations. According to the state-wise, many famous foods are in India. For example, in Maharashtra, misal pav, vada pav; in South, idli, dosa; Gujarat, dhokla, fafda, jalebi, etc. And samosa is the famous street food all over the India. In this chapter, we are going to learn about every culture has its own unique cuisines. Here are some popular dishes from different cuisines across the planet. How many can you recognize? See, in first picture, a Japanese dish consisting of fermented rice topped with seafood and vegetables and put into rolls of seafood called sushi. Next, it is nasi goreng, an Indonesian dish made with stir-fried rice, chicken, shrimp and boiled eggs, seasoned with soya sauce, chilies and tamarind. Third, it is called ratatouille, a typical vegetable dish from the south of France, usually made with eggplant, tomatoes, zucchini, peppers, and onions seasoned with herbs. Next, taco. Taco, children, already you will get in McDonald's. They are giving taco. It is a traditional Mexican dish prepared with the fold corn or a wheat bread called a tortilla. Fifth, it is a sweet, buttery, flaky rolls that organized in Austria but are now specialty of Denmark. Made with dough, they may be filled with cheese, fruits or nuts. Called Danish pastry. It is a very famous dish in our India, in Bengal, called sandesh, a classic Bengali sweet made with the fresh paneer, flavored in a variety of ways and given interesting shapes. Next is a rich Hungarian stew made of beef, lamb or any other meat with vegetable spices, paprika and herbs called goulash. Next, a traditional rice dish from Spain named after the two-handled pan that is prepared in. It is a combination of saffron flavored rice and a variety of meats and vegetables called paella. Ninth one, it is called falafel, a common street food in the Middle East. This patty is made of ground chickpeas, usually served with a bread called pita and that acts as a pocket. And it is topped with salads, vegetables, pickles and served with a sauce called hummus. Last one, an Italian cake made of biscuits dipped in a espresso coffee and layered with a special cheese called mascarpone, egg yolks, sugar and cocoa powder. It is called tiramisu. See my dear children, here two fact space is given about the noodles and pasta. It is not clear who invented noodles, but it is called as a Chinese food when we are using the China food, that is a soup or Manchurian or a noodles, different kind of noodles. And next one is a pasta. Pasta has been synonymous with Italian food for a long time. The word pasta is also used to refer to dishes in which the pasta is a primary ingredient. And pasta comes in a many shapes and size and it's generally served with a sauce. Here many dishes are given which are made by the pasta, different shapes of the pasta. First is lasagna, second is farfalle, third fettuccine, fourth penne, next ravioli and last one is gonchi. Already in India two types are pasta famous. One is the white sauce pasta and another is tomato chili pasta, which children mostly like. So children, you have to read all these food from different countries and from which ingredients or material used in this. Thank you children.